So when he's spraying water on it, water's gonna leak underneath here because the material, this is a brand new awning fabric from Lippert, and it's basically bleeding from the seam,
from the
aluminum wrap in the seam. So that's, you know, that's normal. That's nothing we can do about that to correct that issue. I'm gonna go up top and take a video. Actually, I'm just gonna crawl up while I'm doing it so you can see the amount of water that we're spraying on it. And he's up here, no, not yet, keep going. He's up here watering it. And so what the concern is that water's coming through. So go ahead and stop spraying water for a second. Oh, because it's got too much water on it now and it's relieving itself. So Terry, basically like the water that's on the edge of the material that's sitting here is just basically collecting and then coming out past the bead of the aluminum track.
Yeah, that first track that goes in.
Yeah, that's nothing we can do about that. That's normal.
Behind there and going through the stitching.
Yeah. So that's nothing we can do about that. That's just the way that it's designed. So when water's collecting basically on this edge, water's coming out and it's going and it's actually leaking. You can see in the video, leaking down behind it. That's just is what it is. That's how it was made. Nothing you can do about it to correct that. And so we put new insert molding in and made sure it's all sealed up, the side's sealed up, you know. Nothing more we can do to that.
Like again.
Yep. So I'll show the customer this video when he gets here, if that's what his concern is.
That's what it was, that and not closing. I've got it dialed in perfect right now.
Okay. So, but that portion of it leaking water underneath, it's a brand new fabric, folks. That's just the way that it is. And now if he didn't have the aluminum guard, oops, I just got dripped on. If he didn't have the aluminum guard, that wouldn't have that problem, but that's just how it is, you know? So, okay, stay tuned for more. This is on a timber ridge made by Outdoors RV. And it is, what model number? Did he take that off? Oh, it's a model number 25 RDS is what it looks like. So anyways, hope you enjoy these videos and we're all learning together as we go. Thank you for watching.